Airvana Select, wine aeration redefined with a turn of a dial. Here's how it works. First, push the button on back and lightly twist to remove the cap. Insert the 6 AAA batteries included with your purchase. One set of batteries will dispense over 100 bottles of wine. Replace the cap and attach the stainless steel tube by lightly pressing against the unit and turning the tube, locking it into place. Extend the telescoping tube to its full length. Open a bottle of wine and insert the Airvana tube first into the bottle. Lower the Airvana until you feel the bottom of the tube come in contact with the top of the bottle's punt. Using the dial, select the level of aeration appropriate for the wine being served and the taste preferences of those enjoying the bottle. The Airvana Select aeration dial ranges from 0 to 120 degrees, the equivalent of no aeration, all the way up to 3 hours in the decanter. Place your glass under the spout and press the button on top of the Airvana. Wine will continue dispensing until the button is released. With the Airvana Select, you can now enjoy wines of any age and varietal, aerated perfectly to suit the wine's character and body. Before completely removing the Airvana from a bottle of wine, or after rinsing the Airvana, lift the unit off the neck of the bottle until the bottom of the tube is no longer in contact with any liquid. To clean, fill an empty wine bottle with water and slip the Airvana into the bottle tube first. Press the button to dispense water through the Airvana for 3 seconds. Remove the Airvana from the bottle and wipe the outside parts with a soft cloth. Note that the Airvana should not be submerged in water. The Airvana Select stainless steel tube includes a sediment filter that allows wine to flow into the system while blocking naturally occurring sediment in the wine from entering the tube and dispensing in your glass. The telescoping tube can accommodate both a standard 750 milliliter wine bottle as well as a magnum-sized bottle when fully extended. Getting your wine to that sweet spot in taste with the right exposure to air used to be tricky and time-consuming. The Airvana Select removes the guesswork and makes it easy to aerate any wine right to the perfect level. We love the experience of enjoying wine surrounded by the people we love, picking out a great bottle, pouring our friends a glass, settling in for a good time. Airvana Select is your new secret weapon, helping you to make every glass taste exactly how you like it so that you can get back to the important things, enjoying your wine and company. Help us make this innovative product a reality. Back Airvana Select on Kickstarter and share our campaign with your friends and family today.